If you're feeling disheartened that no one's watching your videos yet, then this video is for you. You're not alone, we've all been there. And I want to remind you that at this early stage is where the magic begins. Hi lovely people, and welcome back to Learn with Nia. So when you're starting out on YouTube, you're not building a crowd, you're building a library. Each video is a little seed that will grow over time. So I'd say at these early stages, focus on getting better and not so much on getting views. I'll tell you why. Because your future audience will want something to binge watch. So they'll want to binge watch all the videos on your channels. So you need to let them have something to find later on. So don't worry about views at first. If you've uploaded your first video, that's brilliant. That's a huge win. Okay? You've learned how to create a thumbnail. That's another win. You got your first comment, even if it was your best friend. Great, because that still counts. And all these moments mean you're growing. Views come after consistency, not before. So if nobody's watching at the moment, okay, in one way that's perfect, because it gives you the opportunity to get better and experiment with your videos. So you can try different titles, you can try different backgrounds on your video, you can try different editing styles with no pressure. These early stages are your time to play with settings and features and to explore what feels right for your channel. If you watch some of my earlier videos, the style is slightly different, whereas now I've fallen into a style that I feel suits me and that helps me connect with my audience. So in these early stages, it's your opportunity to experiment with different styles, different editing techniques, and anything else you want to try. Every time you post, you're building skills, confidence, and a body of work. Eventually, YouTube will start to notice you, and people will start to find you. And you know what? When they do find you, they'll see someone who didn't give up. And that can be so inspiring. So if you've been feeling like, oh, it's not worth it, I'm not getting views, I promise you it is worth it. Keep showing up, keep learning, and keep creating. The right people will find your videos. Just don't give up before they do. So what's been keeping you going, or what's felt hard for you lately? Drop me a comment below, because I'd love to support you on your journey. And remember, you've got this. And if you resonated with this video or found it helpful, remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss a video, especially if you're over 40 and just starting out on YouTube. I am here to help you. And check out the other videos on my channel for more tips, advice, and motivation. And I'll see you in the next one.